Bet you didn't know that an orange has more fiber than most other fruits. Yep, just one little orange is packed with fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied. This is a perfect example of why it's important to eat a variety of foods. You see, different foods offer different nutrients, so to get a balanced mix, we need to mix it up a bit. It's like painting a picture with all the colors of the rainbow. So next time you're craving something sweet, why not reach for an orange? Think about your last meal. Can you remember what you had? Let's dive into the wonderful world of food, shall we? Imagine that your plate is divided into 4 sections. Each section represents a different food group from Canada's food guide. First, there's the fruits and vegetables section. These colorful delights are packed with vitamins and minerals that keep our bodies healthy. Next, we have the grains section. Foods like bread, rice, and pasta give us energy to run, play, and learn. Then there's the protein section. Foods like meat, beans, and eggs help our muscles grow strong. Finally, we have the dairy section. Foods like milk and cheese are rich in calcium, which helps build strong bones. So when you think about your last meal, ask yourself, did I have something from each food group? Each food group plays a vital role in keeping us healthy and happy. Remember, a balanced meal has something from each food group. Have you ever noticed how different the food at home is from the food you get when you eat out? When you're at home, you have more control over what you eat. You can choose fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. You can also control how much salt, sugar, and oil goes into your food. On the other hand, when you're eating out, you might not have as much control over these things. But that doesn't mean you can't make healthy choices. Look for dishes that have lots of vegetables, or ask if you can swap fries for a side salad. You could also ask for dressings and sauces on the side, so you can control how much you use. Remember, it's not just about where you eat, it's about what you eat too, and making healthy choices is important, both at home and when you're out. Did you know your body needs different types of food at different times of the day? Just like a car needs fuel to run, our bodies need energy to function. And this energy comes from the food we eat. Breakfast is like the kickstart to your day. Foods rich in proteins, like eggs or yogurt, and complex carbohydrates, such as whole grain bread or oatmeal, are great choices. They provide steady energy and keep you feeling full. Lunch should be balanced and nutritious to help you power through the rest of your day. Try a mix of lean proteins, vegetables, and whole grains. In the afternoon, you might feel a little sluggish. That's when a healthy snack can help. Fruits, nuts, or a small yogurt can give you a quick energy boost. Dinner should be lighter and easier to digest. Think lean proteins, vegetables, and a small portion of carbohydrates. Remember, timing is as important as what's on your plate. We've talked a lot about making healthy food choices, but what about food allergies or specific dietary needs? Everyone's body is unique, and some of us might have specific dietary needs. For instance, if someone has diabetes, they need to be careful about the amount of sugar they consume. Or, if you have celiac disease, eating gluten-free foods becomes necessary. It's important to remember that Canada's food guide can be adapted to suit these special dietary needs. Now, let's talk about food allergies. These are a bit different. If you're allergic to something, even a tiny bit of it can make you unwell. Common food allergies include nuts, dairy, and shellfish. If you have a food allergy, it's essential to read food labels carefully and make sure you're not eating something that could harm you. Finally, we mustn't forget about food safety. It's not just about what you eat, but also how it's prepared and stored. Wash your hands before preparing or eating food. Make sure your food is cooked properly and stored at the right temperature. Keep your kitchen clean and be careful not to cross-contaminate foods. Remember, making healthy food choices isn't just about eating fruits and vegetables. It's about understanding your body's needs, being aware of any allergies or dietary requirements you might have, and practicing good food safety. Now, have a discussion with your teacher and classmates, and share with them. What's one healthy food choice you can make at your next meal?